Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to explain complex topics simply using Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to explain any of your complex topics simply using Claude AI, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just go to search for Claude AI. Very first you have to make sure that you are signed in and logged into your account. Now once you are here, you just have to simply enter a smart prompt which can explain what do you want. So if you have a topic, so the very first you can write explain, then you can enter your topic name, and then you can enter in which way you want to explain that topic, or for a basic learner, for a high standard learner. So you can easily enter that here on the requirements you want. So I have a simple prompt for just that an example. So here I'm gonna enter my prompt, which is explain, and here's the topic: neural networks to someone who knows basic algebra but no machine language. So it's my requirement that I want to get a basic knowledge of neural network. So you just have to simply click on the submit option and it will give you the response do you need. Or you can also add the audience age. For example, if you want to teach this topic, or if you want to explain this topic to a small kid like a 10-year-old, so you can write explain neural network to someone at 10-year-old, or to 10-year-old kids. You can write what you want, 10 years old kid. So it will explain it how much easier it can. So in this way, you can easily explain a difficult or complex topics simply using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.